luckiest children in the world who are darling and precocious and have only the most cheerful things happen to them. It's called the Pony Party, and I can't put it down, Mr. Tamerlane.
Oh, you there? Focus, Pug. What about the Baudelaire?
Ah, yes, the Baudelaires.
Baudelaires, are you ready for the worst morning of...
Good morning.
What are you doing here? Life of the rest of your day.
No.
Today...
Lie on the candy. Lie on the candy.
Today is the first day of the life of your rest. That's what I said. I said it the right way the first time.
I must admit, I'm a little excited to see this.
I think that the...
I may consult with you later about the bank's latest quarterly report. Rich frankly could use a more dynamic layout. Out of the way! I'm trying to get somewhere as quickly as possible.
I can't condone spending large sums of money on frivolous items.
Look, dear, a wooden spoon with googly eyes.
Real bid high.
Anybody here? Hello? So I just love hospitals.